Well, this is part 2 of the Beko washing machine repair. As you'll know if you've watched part 1, we took the printed circuit board out of the back here. You just simply take these 2 screws out there, one there and one there, and the panel drops forward, and then you can get at the printed circuit board to unplug all these connectors, which they'll all go in one place each. You can photograph them if you want, of course. And we did some repairs to the printed circuit board, where there was found 3 hairline cracks in the printed circuit board circle thing, and just soldered over them. And now we've plugged the machine in and we're going to test it. I've already tested it once and it was fine, but I thought I'd go through it again just to show it working. And so now we're going to put it on we'll put it on a spin and drain program. That's the pump working. There's no water in it. This is just a quick test. It's just on a drain at the moment. As I say, I have been through the program with it once already, and it's all okay. So there we are. For a couple of millimetres of solder we've saved possibly 90 quid there, and it's all working fine. So that's part 2 of the machine. I've just got to put the lid on now, and that's it finished. Well, thanks for watching. Accordioncafe saying bye for now.